Toyota Yaris, adaptation, calibration, initializing, learning, all and fast. First of all, let's start the engine and warm up the engine. The red light off. Yes. So we can do the calibration. Let's little wait that it will warm up. So the car is warmed up, and now yes, we can do calibration. But if the car once has some problem, like red light, it was once or a few times, or neutral was flashing and the car was no drive, don't do calibration. It will no help. It means that the car has some problem and need to resolve it. Need to check trouble code, need to raise trouble code, do some test drive if the code no back, or need to repair this unit what is broken, and then do calibration. If it no red light or neutral flashing, but car start little jerking from first to second or to the reverse, it like tick 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 jumping, yes, it's the calibration will help. Because when we're doing calibration, the computer of the gearbox is fully erasing his data and start to work again, start to work like virgin. It calibrate himself by new. And he found touch point of the clutch. Where is the clutch? Start working. And this is after that the car start drive very smooth. No any jerk, no any jumping, because he found the new touch point of the clutch. So now let's check if the car has no some problem, has no trouble code, and we'll do calibration. How to check it? Very easy. We need to connect bridge wire, it's simple wire, to these two contacts in OBD connector, number 4 and number 30. Okay, so this is just bridge wire. And turn on ignition, and let's check the red light, and it must flashing with no pause. Opa, we have some code. Let's count what is the trouble code. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2. 42. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 42. We have code 42. And who know what is the code it's mean? I know. Now I will show you what it's mean. So the trouble code 42, it's P0500. It's a vehicle speed sensor. Yeah. And what it's mean? I know why is this code in this car, because this is about the ABS sensor. It's a speed sensor. In this car, some of front speed sensor has some problem, and when car was driving, it was not engaging the gear that it must be, because sensor not working good, and the owner of the car disconnect one of the sensor, and now car drive only on one sensor. And this trouble code not interference to do the calibration. Yes, we can do calibration. Yes, it's not about the nothing. It's just vehicle speed sensor. Okay, so let's do the calibration. So I connected the bridge wire. Turn on ignition. All lamps are flashing. Even this also flashing. And now I need to pump 7 times fast. Brake, pumping 7 times fast, and the computer will make 2 short signal. and hold the brakes. It was beep beep. The computer ready to receive command to calibration. Now I'm going and doing minus 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 minus. Now need to release brake and press again and hold it. Two long beeps. It says that we did all okay. Now 3 times fast brake. After 2 long beeps, we have 2 short beeps. Okay. So it's done. Now we need to turn off ignition. Wait until the dash is off. Remove the bridge wire. And go on. Now we will turn on ignition. Neutral will disappear because at this moment computer is fully erased the data. No data. He don't know where is the clutch, where is the gears, don't know. Now he need to calibrate himself again to find the clutch, stop point, to find all gears, and to find touch point of the clutch. When I will turn on ignition, neutral will disappear, the car will press the clutch and will start engaging the gears, and we will hear it. Okay? So it's done. We have the neutral. Now let's turn off ignition. Now what we're doing now, don't press the brake, turn on ignition, few seconds, pressing the brake and start the engine. And this moment the neutral will flashing. At this moment it will move in the clutch actuator to find touch point of the clutch. It will find it, neutral will stop flashing. It means the car is calibrated. Let's try. Oh. So all done, and now need to drive in the car in slow motion. Why? Because it's fully empty. He don't know how to drive. He will calibrate himself about few days. That's all. Oh, it's moving.